Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just got back from an early preview as well as access to Chanel's new holiday collection for 2025. I have all the details for you as well as some things that I purchased from the upcoming collection. So if you want all the details, then keep on watching. Chanel will be releasing their holiday sets again this year. There will be 9 in total, and here's a list of everything that will be released as well as the bag itself. Then we have the makeup collection. So first we have the eyeshadow quad. This year's eyeshadow quad is more of a purple plum color story. Very gorgeous. It does have 2 satin shades as well as 2 shimmer shades, and the shimmer shades are not too bad. These aren't very pigmented where they're unwearable. They are very wearable shades and really pretty for the holiday season. We also have 2 highlighter shades, but I feel like these are also a blush. We have a peach and a rose shade, and I fell in love with both of these. I did purchase one of them, and I just think that they are lovely. I love that Chanel didn't do an oversized highlighter palette this year because I still have mine intact. I almost never use them, but with these, I feel like you will get a lot of use out of. The collection also includes 3 lipstick shades, 2 Rouge Allure Lacs, one in a plum purple shade and the other in a pink shimmer shade. And I feel like the pink one is very similar to last year's pink shade. It's honestly almost identical. I did swatch both of them, and I feel like if you did purchase the pink shade from last year, then you do not need this year's pink shade. The collection includes 2 nail polish shades, one in a gorgeous purple plum shade and the other in a fiery orange. The next is a complete surprise. I was completely taken aback by this release. Chanel will also be releasing 3 new eyeshadow palettes, unlike anything they've ever done before. Each palette includes 9 different eyeshadow shades that have shimmer as well as matte shades, and these retail for $160 each, and I think that's not a bad price, especially since they have 9 eyeshadows. Now let's unbox what I purchased from the collection. Now I just got back and I actually didn't open these yet, so I am really excited to unbox these with you. Everything is always packaged so nicely. Now these will be released next month, so here is what I purchased from the upcoming holiday collection. I am going to just do an unboxing in this video. I just really wanted to share the details of the entire holiday collection, and then I'm going to follow up with separate videos that show you different looks, kind of talk to you about the finishes of these palettes and kind of what they look like, but I just really wanted to do an unboxing for today. So first I have the main quad eyeshadow palette, and this is the gorgeous purple plum palette. We have the gold packaging that we are accustomed to during the holiday season. This is just simply stunning. This is what the palette looks like. I am so glad that this does not have too much shimmer in it. It is very wearable. I think it's going to be beautiful for the holiday season. I just love the shades. I love the purples in here, the gunmetal-like shade, and then the soft blue in here. Just so stunning. I did swatch these at the store and they are just so velvety smooth. I cannot wait to create a look with these. And again, I will be filming a full review showing you how I use this as well as the look that I create. This palette retails for $76, and this is what we pretty much expect from a holiday eyeshadow quad. Next, we have the illuminating powder blush. Now there's 2 in this collection, a rose and a peach, and I ended up purchasing the peach shade. This one is so pretty. I was almost going to purchase the rose shade, but I just simply could not leave this behind. The peach is so gorgeous, and I felt like it's perfect for the winter and holiday season. This one retails for $75, and it does include a small brush, and the powder itself is so gorgeous. Even though this doesn't have a lot of shimmer, it does have an overspray that Chanel is known for, especially for their holiday collections. When I did swatch this in the store, I just noticed it went on very smoothly. It really is a gorgeous blush. This has a beautiful embossment, and I just simply could not leave the shade behind. It is gorgeous, and I think it is going to go with the eyeshadow quad very beautifully. Next up, we have the nail polish in shade Cosmic, and this one retails for $33, also typical for a Chanel nail polish. And this one is gorgeous. It is a flat matte type of nail polish. It does not have any shimmer in it, but I think it is going to look beautiful with the eyeshadow quad. I can't wait to try this on. The collection also includes 2 liquid eyeliners as well as a mascara. I did skip those just because I tend to prefer usually a black or a brown mascara, and this one is in a purple shade. And then the liquid eyeliners, I usually prefer a pen, so I did skip those. I purchased one of the large eyeshadow palettes. This one is the High Intensity Eyeshadow Palette, and this one is an 847, the Daring Muse. Now again, these are $160 each, and this is the palette that I chose. It comes like so. Very nice presentation. And here is the palette. This is presented in a very beautiful way. And here we have all of the shades. I love this so much. I love that Chanel created something unique. I have been hoping that they would, and I think these are absolutely stunning. We have 2 matte shades and then the rest have shimmer. What immediately caught my eye with this palette is the middle green shade as well as the blue shade. I immediately knew that I had to purchase this one, but that's all I purchased from the holiday collection. Now I may go back and purchase some more, but these are the pieces that really stood out to me and what I was really excited for. That's it for all the details and my unboxing of Chanel's new holiday collection for 2025. I can't believe that I was able to have an early access to the collection so that I can share it with you, and I hope this makes it easier for you to see whether or not it is worth purchasing anything from the collection this year. This collection will be officially released next month and will most likely be available online as well, so I will have all the details for you. Make sure you are following me on Instagram and you are subscribed to my channel. I really wanted to film a quick unboxing for you today, but I will have videos coming very soon trying all of these palettes, creating looks, and showing you exactly how I'm going to use these palettes to create a full look. If you are not subscribed to my channel, be sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Also, be sure you are following me on Instagram, and if you are interested in any more of my videos, I will leave a couple more right here for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.